researchers and NGOs find a whopping 8 million metric tons of plastic in oceans. The common debris found in marine trash includes: first, aluminium cans; second, food packaging, wrappers and containers; third, glass bottles; fourth, plastic bags; fifth, cigarettes; sixth, plastic stirrers and straws; seventh, paper bags; eighth, fishing gear. Scientists and researchers have predicted that we will have more plastic than fish in our oceans by 2050. The major ocean cleanup technologies and techniques are: first, System 001, a 62-mile-long barrier located between Hawaii and California, removes around 80,000 tons of garbage from the ocean. Second, the Seabean project developed Seabean V5 to gather trash floating in calm waters such as harbors and marinas. It has a vacuum-like design that pumps ocean water into a filter bag located inside the system. Once filtered, it pumps water back out into the ocean, leaving only the trash trapped inside. To learn more about ocean cleanup technologies, check out the link in the description. Make sure to like this video and subscribe the channel for more. Thank you so much for watching.